Yo, what is good, everybody? Hope you're having a great trading day. I thought I'd do a little video coming into London session this morning, detailing what I'm actually looking at for the rest of the day, what positions I'm currently in, and what my views are for my couple pairs that I am looking at, which I'm really looking to get positions in, and my thoughts on gold. This would normally just be a purely gold breakdown, but as some of you do know from yesterday's video, I did say that gold was going to sell off. In fact, it shit the bed, and there's no point really looking at gold right now just because of how sold off it actually is. And really, even though I did say the head and shoulders pattern wouldn't play out, it looks like it absolutely did. And again, that's kind of to be expected. Now, when you have trend lines, there is a lot of people who are taking positions around these areas. With that being said, remember when I was doing the market depth for these types of plays? Well, there was a lot of orders which were in fact very high up. So these orders means a lot of stop losses. A lot of stop losses means a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity means gold absolutely melts. And yeah, that's what kind of happened. So 2000 gold, is the dream over? And it's looking like we are really selling off right now, and it's hard for me to go ahead and give a bias on this particular position just because of how much it's sold off. But like I said, I typically always will be bullish gold. I think I'm a gold perma bull, and that's not a bad thing. I just feel like, especially with what's going on in terms of inflation and the fundamental factors at play within the world right now, a lot of people are going to be looking at these safe haven assets to really go ahead and buy into. And gold low means more liquidity coming into the market to kind of seize up this opportunity. And yeah, that would be kind of my thoughts. But now we are finished with gold. I'm going to go back into some of the pairs that I'm currently in right now. The first one being Euro Great British Pound. I got absolutely snipers last night, and as I was saying in my video yesterday, I did already take positions on this trade. I got stopped out for around about 1%, and I also got stopped out on gold, which is very, very annoying. Though it doesn't matter because it seems like we're going to the moon with this one. I need around about 33 pips more before I actually get full TP. If I could just go onto my trading account, you can in fact see that it is flying right now. So I am looking at getting other positions in AUD CAD. I'm only filled in for a partial fill right now. I wanted more of a pullback coming into New York session for me to get fully filled, and then I'm going to be riding these two to the moon. So hopefully they do come in. It's looking likely. This trade is looking very, very good. Let me just quickly go on to 2 hour. In fact, yeah, you can definitely see we did get this type of play. When was it? Around March, earlier March this year. So again, this is just a simple, my basic bread and butter strategy, which is I'm looking for these kind of falling wedges, these kind of structural shifts, if you will. And as you can see, this is in a clear downtrend, like this play here, clear downtrend. And then we start getting some rejection or reversal from the overall downtrend. Moving averages start kind of settling in and yeah, show some sign of moving up, which again, it's what I'm trading is this market structure. I'm trading the changes within market structure. I'm changing these breaks and I'm trading these retests. And it's simple as that. I will then align my confluences with fibs. I will align my confluences with divergence, RSI, market depth, psych numbers, looking at these areas of interest which we've had a reaction from in the past. Really, like I said, I trade very, very simplistic strategies. Not everything needs to be a smart money concept. I'm really just a structural trader, and you know that's profitable for me. Some people who trade other ways, that's fine, but I find this way has been very kind to me over the years, and it's something that I've built upon and kind of made work for me. Now when it comes to trading, the most important thing is having a plan. And I normally say this throughout most of my trading ideas and my trading concepts is if you don't actually have an execution when it comes to these trades, you will not be able to make money trading Forex. Now, this is why I feel it's very, very easy to kind of have this type of strategy on your mind. It's a lot easier to think, okay, this has happened before. We're also within a trending market structure. Is there going to be a higher probability of this playing out? And if so, then we're kind of laughing. And in this case, again, we are laughing. I do need to make back some percentage from yesterday. I started another valuation, so I made another 10k account yesterday just because I was trading an accelerated account. I got a payout from the accelerated account. And now I'm kind of just moving on to another 10k. So I have two 10k accounts, and I believe I'm probably going to foul the other account, which is fine. It is what it is. I'll probably get another retry, and then I will probably do a whole breakdown of just me journaling my kind of time on that account, trying to pass alongside my YouTube account. And yeah, that'd be kind of nice, some good content, and really you can kind of get behind the scenes of my psychology when I'm going ahead and approaching these types of market environments, what my views are, and yeah, hopefully you can go ahead and learn something from me whilst doing that. Now, the next pair that I'm looking at is AUD Chef. Again, sorry, the market structure is a little bit messy. Let me quickly just drop down to the 45-minute. Let me just remove this fib as well. So really, I'm kind of looking at here. If I get, I probably have the 30 pip SL, which is a massive SL really. But this is the kind of play that I'm going to be looking at. Again, we have structural shift. I felt like market was going to come up and touch into this area because there was some consolidation around here. There were some reactions from the past. So hopefully we then get a pullback from this area. Market is kind of showing some signs of overbought. And yeah, hopefully we can in fact get this trade in. So that's all that is going to be my final update for London session. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I will catch you in the next one.